Well, a video has resurfaced of boss of a UPC and is a ex-MP, Ebil, punching a local leader. The Kampala Gazette wrote some brief story about this. A video recorded in under 1 minute shows former member of parliament, Ebil, punching a local leader in Acholi district. Ebil is also the Secretary General of the UPC party. This was after a heated argument. Not many words can be heard. However, the victim is said to have heard saying that he also never left his fist at home. His fist. So the, the victim also said he never left the fist at home. Seconds later, Ebil is seen throwing a punch at the victim. A punch on the neck. So that punch from the back side, you could see it was something which is not easy. It's like the type of punches that we give when we are arguing about football in secondary school in Aliba College. When a fan goes beyond what we call limit, they give a hot one. According to the Gazette, the Kampala Gazette, it is not clear how the argument started. But the setting shows as though there was a meeting going on. It is not clear if Ebil is eyeing a return to Acholi politics. So this is it, a very unfortunate situation. I think maybe the member who was punched maybe said something which was very, very provocative to Ebil. Now, the UPC have not yet issued any official statement regarding this. Even Ebil has not yet made any public statement regarding the punch. Even the person punched still stayed mute. So far, that is what we know. But a very unfortunate situation, which is not easy to come across. But I think we should appreciate social media. Maybe this thing used to happen in the past, but we never knew that was happening. People were fighting. For example, we saw fights in West Nile, fights in Liara City Council. Still in this town, we saw fight in Gulu district of a chairperson and a councillor, and also in Kitgum municipality, where there was a serious fight. And even in Agago, there was altercation between member of parliament of Agago County and the district chairperson of the district of Agago. So we need to appreciate the new age of technology that is revealing to us what is actually happening in the political high temperature rooms across the country. That is it.